Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another candlestick psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I'm doing another put because I have explained this already in the right context. You can expect that the trend continuation after an evening star will be 75 to 80%, and that's the reason why I'm entering here immediately into a put, because I'm expecting, because that is the right context, yes, it's the right context. After a prolonged uptrend, you can expect that the reversal will hold for more than one candle, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put after this kind of evening star, because I was already expecting that price will continue to going down 75 to 80% trend continuation. So and after this I will do a call, because this candle is so huge. Okay, I want to do a call, yes, but now it's looking more like a put. Yes, you see how fast you have to adapt to the market, yes, because it looked before to a call because it was a huge candle, but now it looks like a put, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put. I'm expecting that price will go down, because if you have a candle with such a long wick, that is showing you not buying pressure, this is showing you selling pressure, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put, expecting that price will continue to going down. The market is doing here some kind of panic, yes, but I'm sure that this is selling pressure, what's happening here, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put, and I'm sure that price will go down, because what I have explained in the 7th edition of the ebook, yes, is that if price goes in the purchase time up, it will go down in the expiration time. If price goes down in the purchase time, it will go up in the expiration time, and that is what this is about, yes, and this concept works, yes, because this is based on my experience which I have gained in the last years in binary option trading, and that is what I have compressed in my ebook. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and that was already again. If you liked my video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye. Okay, I will do a put again, because I see that it's a strong downtrend, and I'm sure that price will continue going down, because this candle here is for me a clear trend continuation pattern. Yes, this is a rocket candle which is pointing and giving me the sign that the price will go down further. I have explained this in the ebook too, under the highest probability trading setups. Yes, if you get such kind of candle, this is mostly a trend continuation, but you have to be carefully only if the price already conquered this area before, yes, and that candle here conquered this area, and that was the reason why I was expecting that this would be in the money too, also if the entry point was really late. So okay, that was it. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.